How to permanently delete your Instagram account. What's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about how we can easily delete your Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure to log into the account that you want to delete. So let's say if you have multiple Instagram accounts and some of them are the ones that you don't use and want to delete them, this is how you do it. For the first step that you want to do is head over to your profile, and once you get to your profile, on the top right corner, you will see this hamburger menu. It will take you to your settings. And now, from here, you want to head over to your account center. Then you can scroll down until you see personal details. Just tap on it. Then you will see your account ownership and control. Here you will find an option for deactivation or deletion. And from here, if you have multiple accounts like Facebook connected to your account center, it will show up right here. Make sure to choose the account that you want to delete, not the other ones. So I'm going to choose my Instagram because it's the only one there. And from here, you get two options: to temporarily deactivate your account or to delete permanently. Now, if you are taking a temporary break, you can prompt to this first option. But if you permanently want to delete, you can choose the second option, and you will have to give your reasoning. I'm just going to choose the first reason, and then after this you can tap on continue. Once you do this, you have to make sure that all of your data will be deleted as well. And now you just enter your account password and tap on continue for verification purpose, and then your account should be deleted. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.